was able to buy this bowling alley because of Online Money Maker. Online Money Maker made this happen! Online Money Maker!
Hey, you heard the man. Online money maker, so easy, a 7-year-old could do it. Hey, we love hearing your success stories, and that little dude right there, he discovered Online Money Maker. He was able to drop out of school and buy a bowling alley and live out his dream. 7 years old, baby. And who made it happen?
Online Money Maker made this happen!
You're damn right we did, and thank you for letting us know your success story. No, this channel is not made for kids, so kids, if you're under 18, you're watching this video right now, get off the computer, baby. This is Online Money Maker. We are not made for kids, but we do have this website for you right here today, which is going to give you hundreds of different ways to make money online, and you're going to find them all on this one website right here. Like, look at this, 81 legit ways to earn money online, or how about 50 easy ways to get free Amazon gift cards. You're going to like this one. And this video is brought to you by the great state of Montana, which is where we are at right now. Montana, Missoula, Montana. That's the home of Bigfoot. That's the home of Bigfoot and a whole lot of deer. Check this out. Thank you, Montana. You put a big smile on my face. Hey, you know what you should do right now? You should subscribe to Online Money Maker. Do you want to drop out of school? Do you want to buy a bowling alley like my homeboy at the beginning of the video? Then subscribe to Online Money Maker. Like this video, because this one is going to make you some coin. I'm talking some money in your pocket. Let's do it. So this one website has it all. 81 legit ways to earn money online, 150 legitimate work from home jobs, 49 high-paying online survey sites to earn extra cash, 70 ways for you college students to make money on the side for those of you that don't want to drop out of school and buy a bowling alley. Man, they got all kinds of stuff here. They got freebies, man. Hey, 50 easy ways to get free Amazon gift cards, okay? This is nuts, people. So all you're gonna do is just click on one of these and watch the magic happen. Check this out. If I click on 81 legit ways to make money online. Oh, and by the way, it's for beginners and without paying anything. Oh, and by the way, this is all free and it is available worldwide. So all you got to do, just click on one of those and start going down the rabbit hole here. They're going to give you a lot of different options here, okay? So we can see that number one, help shape the future of Google, okay? They're going to give you a bunch of like different apps and stuff you can check out. So Make Money Online with Swag Bucks and InstaGC. Those are two apps I've talked about multiple times on this channel, okay? The list goes on and on here. Get paid $50 to install one app, okay? I'll give that to you right now. The Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, they have an app. If you install it, you're gonna get paid $50. I'm gonna show you like the apps you can download to get paid to watch TV. You can get paid to write an article. They give you all this. This is a one-stop shop, people. Anything and everything that you can do to make money online is in this one app. They got a lot of survey sites here. There's a lot of survey sites out there anyway, okay? Get paid to find coupons. Well, that sounds kind of boring. Get paid to shop via Ebates. I don't think so. Hey, fatten your wallet by slimming down. Get your asses off the couch, download a couple of these apps, and get paid to exercise. Paid to review movies. Get paid for the pictures on your phone. Get paid to clickety-click. Let your computer pay your internet bill. Oh, this is a good one. Become a mock juror, okay? If you go to ejury.com, and this one I'm not sure if this is available in every country. It probably is not. Probably just the United States. But you can get paid from home online to be a mock juror, okay? Guilty Oh, here's another fun one too. Become a mystery shopper. Okay, these are three different apps that will help you become a mystery shopper. Do you know what that is? That's basically called a rat. That's when you get paid to undercover go to a restaurant or go to a store and report to their bosses. Pretty much, what are they doing good? What are they doing wrong? So on the East Coast of the United States, that's called being a rat. On this website, it's called being a mystery shopper. Get paid to rate short music samples. Get paid to answer text messages. Get paid to take part in an online focus group. That's pretty much the same as the survey sites, except I believe that one is like FaceTime. It's like they'll see your face. Review software, answer questions. Hey, I got a question for you. What's the best YouTube channel in the land of YouTube? It's the one you're watching right now. It's Online Moneymaker. Ding, 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 ding. Here you go. Get paid to translate. Now, I've taught you how to do that in the past. All you do is go to Google Docs, hit Tools, and then there's a translation key there. You can translate anything into any language, okay? Pros.com is going to pay you to do that one too. Test mobile apps, okay? Test them apps. Make $5 to $10 every time you do it. You guys know what this is right here? You know what these are? These are all apps that will help you make money. These are all apps you can download today, right now, onto your phone and make money from every single one of these apps. I mean, and I'm getting these from one website, you guys. I'm getting these from one website, moneypantry.com, moneypantry.com. I'm telling you, this website is like a golden nugget that just wants to hatch into your wallet, hatch cash into your wallet. So just come to moneypantry.com, scroll down here towards the bottom, and just start clicking on these. Check this out. 50 easy ways to get free Amazon gift cards, man. And you just go down here and they're gonna show you all these different ways that you can do basically nothing on your phone or your computer and get free Amazon gift cards. Like this app right here, Drop. I don't know what that does, but it's going to give you free Amazon gift cards. We know Swagbucks. Swagbucks, I've told you this before. If you've got one money-making app on your phone, make it Swagbucks, because Swagbucks pays you to do everything. Watch videos, click on ads, shop, surf the web, you name it. Every single one of these money-making apps is going to pay you free Amazon gift cards. Like Lucky Night, look at this. Go to Lucky Night. I don't know, you might get lucky. Look at all these iPoll, Queemy, how do you pronounce that? Queemy? I don't know. Darwin's Data, Feature Points. Oh, that's another app I've talked about before. Feature Points is good. Freebie Points, Survey Junkie, QuickRewards.net, that's a decent one too. Top Cashback, also good. You know what? Take your free Amazon gift cards, okay, and you can turn those into cash pretty easy. Check it out. Just take those suckers right over here to cardcash.com and sell them, man. If you don't want those Amazon gift cards, get some cash for them right here at cardcash.com. So the main website you want to check out, though, is moneypantry.com, okay? You're going to go make all this money, and when people ask you who made it happen, what are you going to say?
Online Moneymaker.
That's right. Hey, kids, stay in school, okay? Not everybody knows how to run a bowling alley like my man Rhett here, so stay in school, subscribe to Online Moneymaker, and thank you for watching. This is Online Moneymaker.